Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hooray! Y is for you, yes, you my friend. Learning letters till the end. Y is for yes, we smile and say yes, 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 all day. U, yes, yummy, yay. Y says yeah, shout hooray! U, yes, yummy, yay. Y says yeah, shout hooray! Y is for yummy snack, so sweet. Y is for yogurt, fun to eat. Take a bite and laugh and play. Yummy, yummy, we all say. U, yes, hooray! Yummy, yay. Y says yeah, shout hooray! U, yes, yummy, yay. Y says yeah, shout hooray! Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Spinning, spinning all around. Y is for yak, big and slow. Walking softly through the snow. Draw the letter Y down a line, then split in two. Slide it down, that's how you do. Big Y tall, little Y too. Can you draw one? Yes, you do. U, yes,